Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best automatic litter boxes that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Litter Robot 3 Connect Cat Litter Box. Over years of trying out automatic and self-cleaning litter boxes, we have tested 4 different Litter Robot 3 Connect models, so we have extensive long-term testing time with the product. Of the 4, we encountered a relatively common bonnet error with one, where the machine erroneously registered its top panel as open. Litter Robot customer service was responsive, with both troubleshooting advice and an offer to replace the device. After detaching and reattaching the part a few times, the issue eventually resolved itself. Overall, after nearly 3 years of continuous testing, we still feel confident in the quality of the Litter Robot 3 Connect. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Petkit Pura Max Self-Cleaning Litter Box. If you have a multiple cats, then the extra large capacity of the Petkit Pura Max can spare you from having to change the litter compartment so frequently. We tested the Pura Max in a household with 3 cats, and our testers only had to empty the litter compartment about once a week. The included trash bags are roomy and have a drawstring handle. This app-controlled, self-cleaning litter box is a larger version of the Petkit Pura X self-cleaning litter box, our choice for best odor control. And the 2 automatic litter boxes share many of the same high-quality features, including its notably quiet cleaning cycle. Commensurate with its larger capacity, the PuraMax also has enhanced methods for odor control, including a tightly sealed waste compartment with a built-in chamber for an odor-eating block, and an automatic deodorizing sprayer that spritzes the interior when your cat is done. At number 3, we have the Petkit Pura X Self-Cleaning Litter Box. In testing, the Pura X performed with similar excellence. The Pura X operates quietly, is easy to clean, and has an attractive design, which sometimes makes it look like your pooping cat is flying a tiny spaceship. The main downside our tester noted was the smaller entry hole, similar to a top entry litter box, which was barely more than half the circumference of the wide opening on the Litter Robot 4. This may make the Pura X a less attractive option if you have especially large cats. While the Pura X is suitable for cats up to 18 pounds, one tester, with cats of varying sizes, had trouble getting all 4 of their cats to consistently use it. At number 2, we have the Calo Leo Lu 2. The Calo Leo Lu 2 follows the classic design of automatic litter boxes, with a rotating barrel passing through a grate, leaving behind solid clumps, which are dumped into a lower reservoir. Our 2 tester cats immediately adjusted to using the Leo's Lu 2, thanks in part to its very quiet and unobtrusive cleaning cycle. The app is less fun to use than the Slick Whisker app, but what makes the Calo Leo automatic litter box stand out is its wide smart home compatibility. Capable of syncing with both Amazon Alexa and Google Home, the Leo's Lu 2 is the best option for anyone looking to activate their litter box using voice controls. The Leo's Lu 2's app was easy to set up too. And finally, at number 1, we have the PetZone Smart Scoop. One tester summed it up, noting that the PetZone Smart Scoop automatic litter box doesn't dazzle with bells and whistles, but absolutely does the trick. The PetZone is also surprisingly quiet, raking across the box in a slow cycle that does a good job of catching most waste. The rake itself is also designed well, and doesn't get gunked up easily. A cleaning tool is included too. The machine comes with 6 plastic bags to get you started. Bags are easy to install and remove once the compartment is full. It also includes a carbon zeolite filter, which fits into a bracket on the underside of the waste reservoir lid.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon